Assalamu alaikum. This video is for downloading the salary certificate from CSC website Kuwait. This is from CSC website, not the app. So first of all, after logging in, you have to go into your user menu and select Shahadat. After selecting Shahadat, you have to go to the Talab al-Shahada. In Talab al-Shahada, the first option, Ikhtar al-Shahada, you have to select the type of certificate that you want. For example, Shahada Tafsil al-Ratib is the detailed salary certificate. Shahada Istimrariya Tahwil al-Ratib is the continuation certificate. These are the two common certificates needed by mostly banks for loans and other services. So for example, we select Shahada Tafsil al-Ratib. Now in this you have different options. There is the second option is Ratib al-Shahr al-Qadim and Ratib al-Shahr al-Hali. Means there is the first option is for the upcoming month. Shahr al-Qadim means the month which is upcoming, means the next month, and Ratib Shahr al-Hali means the current month's salary certificate. So you select the current months or leave it as it is, leave it as default. Now the second option has a checklist of options. Mostly we select all of them so that all the details are mentioned. Then there is a third option which contains three options to select from. The first is Banuk, means banks. The second is Ukhra, and the third is Jihat al-Hukumiyya. So if you're applying for a bank, for example you're applying for a loan, you will select Banuk. Then from Banuk you see another option next to this option, which there's a red heading by the name of Banuk, and there's a drop down list. If you select the drop down list, you will see all the banks in Kuwait, names of all the banks in Kuwait. For example, I need for ABK Bank, Al Ahli Bank of Kuwait, so I will select this option, Al Bank Al Ahli Kuwaiti. This is for ABK Bank. You can select for any other bank from this drop down list. So I selected Al Ahli Kuwaiti, which is ABK Bank, and then you go down and you see there is Talab al-Shahada min Jiha Shahadat al-Fawriya. So these are again two options, and you can always translate if you get confusion. Request a certificate from the entity or instant certificates. So you select from entity or immediate certificate. So we are selecting immediate certificate here, and then there is a button by Taqdeem al-Talab. If you translate, you will see it means submit the application. So you press on Taqdeem al-Talab. Once you click this button, Taqdeem al-Talab, there will be a screen in front of you which basically will show you a preview of the certificate. Sometimes it shows the preview, other times it does not show you properly because of some error on the website. But if you see at the end, there is a sentence written that asks you to confirm after reading the certificate if it's okay or not. So basically this is like a consent, whether you agree to the terms and conditions and do you want to continue. If you want to translate this, you can translate also. After completing the certificate application and payment, the certificate can be printed through the certificates service certificate request list. Now you see there are two buttons here. One is al-dafa and one is al-ghar. Al-dafa means payment. So once you click this payment button, as I have clicked, it will take you to the payment page. Here you can pay half KT fees with your KNet, and once your payment is complete, then you can go back to the same page where you had requested Talab al-Shahada, this button. Now this time, since you have already requested the certificate, now you have to go to this small button here on the corner, which shows an arrow, black colored arrow. Click this black arrow, and when you click the black arrow, there are two options. Talabat al-Shahadat means your certificate requests, and Arz al-Shahadat. So you select Talabat al-Shahadat, and all of the certificates which you have previously requested, including this one, will appear here. So let us see the clear view here. You can see there are different types of certificates that I requested. Then this column shows the dates when I requested. So once you see all the certificates here, you can click any one of them and you can download them from here. So hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments. Thank you.